Nervy push at the first delivery. Oh, close, that's come back in. Given! That's an absolute pearler. Will Sharma review it? I reckon he thinks he's gone. That's a beauty.
As it pitched outside leg stump, he's asking Shekhar Dhawan, and Rohit Sharma walks off. Mohammad Amir strikes, comes into the right-hander, hits the pad, sprays across the line, and a big start for Pakistan.
A duck for Rohit Sharma in the final. It's 0 for 1. The legend that is Kohli comes in at number 3. Oh, that's a beauty. What a start to this innings from Mohammad Amir. It's dropped. Not a man you want to drop. Fourth stump again. That area in England, he's been vulnerable, nicked it. Everything was perfect apart from that. Regulation, off the shoulder, catch it someone. In the air, gone! Not that important, he's gone the next ball. Brilliant from Amir. Pakistan cricket at its best. 1 minute down, next minute up.
Virat Kohli dismissed for 5. India trailing 6 for 2.
Bouncer pulled away, 1 bounce, they needed that boundary, they've got it. Top edge, that'll go away for 4.
Whiff and punished. Oh, taken, caught behind, crossing, working fantastically for Mohammad Amir. And it's a big one, big fish.
Shekhar Dhawan departs with 21. India reeling, 33 for 3.
We all know how good a player is under pressure. MS Dhoni. Oh, he's so good against spin. This may just backfire for Pakistan, this move of introducing spin to Yuvraj. Oh, graceful. Celestial in style. Pad first, then the bat. Gone for the appeal. Sarfraz feels that there's a strong case. Right, they've gone for a review. So the case here to study for the third umpire is pad first.
It certainly looks like it has. Can you go to hot spot, please? Yeah, definitely pad first. I'm happy to go straight to ball tracking there, thank you. Here it is, ball tracking coming up now, Richard. Impact is in line. And it's going on to hit the wickets. So he's overturning a decision.
Incredible. What a wicket. It's Yuvraj Singh, the latest exit, 54 for 4. Kedar Jadhav is the new man in for India. Full shot, catch it is the call. MS is out. Caught by Imad Wasim. The trap was set. And it's Hassan Ali who's given Pakistan another massive breakthrough. MS gone for 4. It's 54 for the loss of 5. Hardik Pandya is on strike. Oh, how good is that? Shadab, just 18. Have a look at him.
Oh, now, it's a good shot. That'll be 1 bounce.